Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be doing like videos, maybe like gameplays. I actually don't know, but I don't know right now. Like, first I have to figure out what I'm gonna do on my channel, and maybe you guys will help me. And yeah, cause I actually don't know what I'm gonna do on my channel yet. Cause having a YouTube channel is kind of hard work, putting effort into your videos and everything. And yeah, I'll just be doing like gaming videos, maybe lawn cutting videos. I've uploaded previous videos of that kind of stuff. Yeah, but anyway guys, I'll see